So, good morning to all of you. How are you? So, today we are continuing our lesson number division. Okay, our lesson is division. So, previously we introducing about that, and after that we taken what division as a repeated subtraction. Okay, so I hope all of you are solved those problems. So, now today we are discussing about what division using the number line. Okay, so all of you familiar with the number line. Okay, so this one is the number line and it is drawn from 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so all the numbers are drawing on the this line in this taking some intervals. Okay, so see that this is 1 2 3 4. So you also remember that number line is starting from the 0. Okay, so don't miss it. Okay, तो number line कभी भी 0 से start होगी. So it is what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it's are continuously increasing. Okay, so simply we are studied about what 15 divided by 3. It's mean that 15 divided by 3, it's simply what 5. Okay, but here we are using what number line. Okay, so division by number line. So how will it solve it? Okay, so some of the questions are based on this topic. Okay, it's very easy. So firstly, all the numbers line is given to us in questions. Okay, so only we have to drawing the some interval. Okay, so see that. So from that we counting 0 to 3. Okay, this one is the first loop. Okay, this is the first loop. 1 2 3. Why we choosing 3? Because we dividing by 3. Okay, and which number 15. So until 15 we have to draw such types of semicircle or half loops. Okay, on the number line because it is divisible by 3. Okay, so choosing that this is 3 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the first loop. Okay, 1 2 3. Next from 3 to 6. Okay, again. So what from the next number is that this is 6. Okay, this is the second loop. First, second. Next, this is up to the 9. This is third. Next, fourth. And next is fifth. Okay. So how many circles we have drawn? Up to the 15 using the 3 intervals. Okay, because of we dividing number 15 by 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is our answer? Equals to what? 5. It is our answer. Okay. It is clear? Anybody having doubts? Okay. So repeat again. So division using the number line. Question will be given to us. Okay. We have to solve in this way. So number line is drawn and we dividing 15 by 3. Okay, 15 को क्या करना है? 3 से डिवाइड करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? इस तरीके से क्या करेंगे? इसमें सेमी सर्कल्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. मींस अप टू द 3. ओके, फिर अगेंस्ट टेकिंग द 3 इंटरवल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट 3, नेक्स्ट 3 and next 3. Okay, so how many? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it is our answer. 5 is our answer. Okay, so note down it. Okay, so 16 divided by 4. We have to solve 16 divided by 4. Okay, so what will we do here? From 0 to 4. It is the first loop. Okay, it is the first loop. This is what? Second. This is what? Third. And this is what? Fourth. Okay, up to the 16. Okay, so from 0 to 16. Okay, Okay, how much? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so what is our answer? 16 divided by 4, that is 4. Okay, ये क्या है, नंबर लाइन दी गई है ना, और इसमें क्या करना है कि 16 को डिवाइड करना है 4 से विथ यूजिंग द नंबर लाइन. सो व्हाट विल प्रोसीड? सो फर्स्टली वी चूजिंग द 4 पॉइंट्स. ओके, फ्रॉम 0 up to the 4 point, draw like that. Okay, next 4 point in this way, in the next 4 point in this way, and next 4 point in this way. Okay, so up to that it is what? 16. Okay, है ना, 16 तक के. सपोज अगर यही क्वेश्चन अगर 20 होता है यहाँ पे, so what is answer? Again we are taking another. Okay, so it is what? Fifth number, fifth. Okay, so what is our answer? 20 divided by 4, 5. Got it? Okay, so this is about what? Division using the number line. So all the exercise, next exercise is based on, so note it and understand it. Okay, so okay, taking exercise 5th C. Okay, so there is what? Using the number line we have to divide. Okay, and solve all problems. Okay, so here question is that 16 divided by 8. Okay, 16 को क्या करना है? 8 से डिवाइड करना है. 16 divided by 8. Okay, so see here, what is 16 divided by 8? So what will we do here? Taking from 0 to 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from 0 to 8, it is the first loop. Okay, next up to the 16. Okay, it is what? Second. So what is our answer? 2. Okay, so see here, 16 divided by 8. So how it is? From 0 to 8. Okay, and 8 to 16 is what? 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. Okay, so using the number line we have to solve in this way. Okay, taking another example, so note down it. So okay, question is given that 20 divided by 5. Okay, अब क्या करना है? 20 divided 5. So we know simply 20 divided by 5. So this is 20 and it is divided by 5. So 5 4s are 20. Okay, so in this way we have to solve. But in case we have to what? Using the number line. Okay, नंबर लाइन को यूज करके क्या करना है? अपने को सॉल्व करना है क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, so 20 divided by 5. So क्या करेंगे? Firstly, this is the number line is given. Okay, up to the 20. Okay, so 20 divided by 5. So ये 20 जो numbers दिए हैं इसको ऐसे 5 इसमें डिवीजन करना है. Okay, so what will we do here? Taking from 0 to 5. Number 1, 5 to 10. Number 2, 10 to 15, 3. And 15 to 20, 4. Okay, so what is 1, 2, 3 and 4? Okay, so this is our answer. So 20 divided by 5 equals to what? 4. Got it? Anybody having doubts? Okay, so 20 divided by 5 equals to what? See here, so on that number line we have to solve like that. Using what? 5, next 10, 15, है ना, मीन्स ये जो नंबर लाइन में जो नंबर्स दिए हैं इसमें 5 नंबर से डिवाइड करना है. मीन्स क्या करना है कि उस नंबर लाइन को इस तरीके से डिवाइड करना है कि 5 से भी डिवीजन होना चाहिए. ओके, सो फर्स्टली वी टेकन दिस फ्रॉम दैट 5 डिजिट. नेक्स्ट 5 डिजिट इज दैट 5 to 10. Okay, next 5 digit. Okay, and up to the next 5 digits. Okay, so in this way we have to solve. Means what is our answer? 20 divided by 5 equals to what? 4. So note down it. So next question is that 18 divided by 2. Okay, अब क्या करना है, ये नंबर लाइन में नंबर्स दिए हैं, इसमें से विथ यूजिंग दैट 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करना है, ठीक है। 18 को क्या करना है, 2 से डिवाइड करना है। सो किस तरीके से प्रोसीड करेंगे इसको देखो। सो 0 to 2, ओके। नेक्स्ट 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 and 18, okay। So we counting it, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So what is our answer? 9, okay। 18 divided by 2 equals to what? 9. Got it? So using the number line we have to solve in this way, okay। So it is clear? So see here, 18 को क्या करना है, 2 से डिवाइड करना है। तो क्या करेंगे, नंबर लाइन में इस तरीके से चूज करेंगे नंबर, जैसे 0 to 2, ओके। नेक्स्ट 2 to 4, नेक्स्ट 2 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, ओके। सो इस वे में क्या करना है, इसको सॉल्व करना है एंड काउंटिंग दैट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, ओके। सो 18 divided by 2, what is the answer? 9 is our answer, okay। So note down it. So okay, next question, 12 divided by 4 करना है, ठीक है। So 12 divided by 4, you know that 12 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, okay। But अब क्या करना है, इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, 4 divided by 12, तो क्या करेंगे, ये 4 से डिवाइड करना है ना। So ये कंप्लीट नंबर लाइन है, उसको 4 से डिवाइड करना है। तो what will we do? Firstly we choosing the 4 points, okay। So this one first, okay, next this, okay, next, so this, okay। So how much we will get? Up to that 12, 1 2 and 3, okay। So this is our answer, okay। 1, अब क्या करना है कि इसको 12 को डिवाइड करना है 4 से, तो क्या करेंगे, ये नंबर लाइन में 4 ऐसे स्लॉट लेंगे, ठीक है, 1 2 3 से लेके 4 तक के। सो इस वे में क्या करना है, इसको सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है। सो 4 8 and 12, ओके। सो इस तरीके से इसको सॉल्व करना है, ओके। सो इट इज क्लियर, सो नोट डाउन इट। सो हैव अ नाइस डे एंड टेक केयर, ओके।